Hi everybody, we are here today to make a musical instrument. We're going to make a yoghurt pot drum and I'll show it to you. Okay, so for this yoghurt pot drum you will need some empty yoghurt pots, hair bubbles or elastic bands if you want. You don't have to have those though. Some grown-up scissors, because there is a bit of grown-up help needed. Some balloons and some sellotape. I can only find parcel tape today, so that will have to do for us. So you will see what I started off by doing is cutting the square corners off a yoghurt pot. So I've cut it all nice and round, okay? So I'm going to give that one to you, Izzy. And then, so we cut it all the way around like that. Let's see if I can do this one, shall we? All the way around, all the way around, all the way around.
Am I going to make my own drum?
You are going to make your own drum, yes. So, cut it all the way around. And grown-ups, you've just checked there's no sharp bits, okay? This is out of the way. The next thing you're going to need is a balloon. Okay, so these are some that we've got left over from a birthday party at our house. And I want you to chop the balloon. You can see I've chopped it like that. Chopped the end off it. Ooh, a bit high there. Chopped the end off it, okay? So it now looks like that. So it looks a little bit like a tiny swimming hat. I don't think you can fit it on your head though. Do you think you could fit that on your head?
No.
No. So, and then you're going to stretch it. And again, you might need a bit of adult help. And you're going to stretch it and put it over the top of the yoghurt pot. So can you have a go at that? And I'll just be cutting this one here. Do you think you can get it over? Or do you need a little bit of help? It's quite tricky. Okay, there you go. I've cut that one in half now. Well, not quite in half. It's probably about 2/3 there and 1/3 there for the grown-ups. Shall I help you? Yeah. Okay.
Can I do the bubble bit?
You can. Do you want a bubble on it then?
Yeah.
The bubbles are optional because, let me just show you this. This one, can you hear, makes quite a good noise with no bubble on it. However, you can add a bubble if you want more noise, okay? It probably makes it louder. Do you want a bubble?
No.
Would you prefer a bubble or just that?
Just that.
Just that, okay. Right, I'm stretching mine over. Ooh, that makes a funny noise. Right, I'll show you how to attach the bubble or elastic band. I think the problem with this one is that the pot is a little bit too small. So the bigger the yoghurt pot, the better. Oh, and we found out earlier on that Muller Light yoghurt pots are no good because they just collapse. The balloon's too stiff for them. They're not thick enough. So, you pop, if you want the elastic band, hold on a second, or hair bubble, then you pop it around the middle like that. Can you see? And then you're going to get your sellotape or parcel tape in my case. Izzy, just shh a second while we finish and then we'll play them all together, shall we? And okay, I only need 2 little bits like that just to secure it. One on that side, like that, and one on that side, like that. Okay, so I've got my 2 bubble drums. Izzy's got her one, just a tight drum, isn't it? It's just got the balloon on it. And of course, what if you can do is you could decorate these afterwards, and then it would be time to play. You ready?
Can we decorate?
We can decorate it afterwards. We won't film decorating because it might take a long time. Right, are you ready? You might notice that different types, like just the hitting drum rather than the band drum, make different noises, but also that, listen to this. Oh, that's a good thing. Oh look, Izzy's just found a new way. You look, can you see what she's doing? She's plucking the balloon. That's fantastic. What I would recommend as well though is to just put some sellotape around here, okay? Just to secure it on. So shall we do that?
Yeah.
It's a bit tricky because I've only got parcel tape, which is not ideal. So we'll just put a couple of strips of parcel tape on, shall we?
Yeah.
To secure your balloon, because otherwise it might come off. And then it would be no fun, would it? So put one on that side and one on that side. And again, if I had a little bit more time, I would put it around these ones as well, just to keep those on securely. Are we ready to play then? You ready? One. Wait for me. One. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Go. Brilliant. Mine too make different sounds because they're different sizes. Brilliant. Okay. I'd love to see some photos of your instruments, and hold on a second please. If you have made any of the other instruments that the other teachers have made, then maybe you could play them as part of a band. If you've got any brothers or sisters or other people who live in your house, grandmas and granddads or mummies and daddies that live in your house, you could all have an instrument and you could all be in a band. Fantastic.
We can be in a band.
Are we going to be in a band then?
Yeah.
Okay, right, we're going to go off and practice, and I shall see you again soon. Take care.